So let me show you how to display the battery level of your Huawei Watch Fit 4 or Fit 4 Pro on the watch face. Now, some watch faces will by default show the battery level of your watch right on the watch face, and you don't need to swipe down to see the battery level. Now, if yours doesn't, then you can actually customize it and make it show the battery level. So for instance, this particular watch face does not show the battery level of my watch, but I can make it show. So if I long press on this watch face and then tap on custom, you'll notice I can customize this watch face. So I can change the way it looks. I can change a few things. More importantly, I can change the complications or the data sets. So for instance, let me switch this one. Let me tap on this one and have it show my battery level. So that's going to open the functions or complications and then tap on the battery function. And you can see that now shows the battery function. So I can press the crown to exit out of here. And now you can see my watch face shows the battery level right here. So that is basically how to add the battery level of your Huawei Watch Fit 4 or Fit 4 Pro right on the watch face. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.